Hi everybody, it's your girl Monique and welcome back to my channel. If you're oldie but goodie, welcome back, and if you're just tuning in, thanks for tuning in. You have to forgive me, my lighting is quite off. I'm not sure what's going on today. But if you want to see how I change an old wig into a vertical wig, then you definitely need to keep watching. Okay, so I came across this young lady on Instagram and she was rocking this fierce mohawk vertical wig and I was compelled to try to get it. So I scoured Philly all over to find this wig, could not find it. I scoured the internet and no one, including the beauty supply place where she works, which is in California by the way, has the freaking wig. And guess what, guys? It was in this color, my 613. So right now, as you can see, my hair is currently a TWA length. And sometimes when I want to change up the style, I have been rocking hair pieces and wigs while my hair grows out. My hair is like an in-between. It's too long to mold down, but too short that I don't want to rock it out like that. And as it's growing, you know, I keep touching up the color. So let me show you what you're going to need. This is the Sky wig. I have a video of me converting this into a bob. I will link that video to this video. I'm going to be using my Shine and Jam. I'm going to be using my 24-hour Ebin Extreme Firm Hold in the purple lid. I have my trusty rat tail combs, metal tip and plastic. I have a pair of scissors, bobby pins for blonde hair, and rubber bands for blonde hair. So I'm going to mold my hair up into my ponytails and I'll be right back. Okay, so I have molded it up into two ponytails, and baby, let me tell you, the ponytail struggle was real. The ponytail struggle was so real. Okay, that Let's Jam really helps if your hair is short. It kind of like straightens it and elongates the hair. But mind you, because my hair is 613, when I put products on it, greasy products on it, it made my hair so much darker. So my hair is almost coming off like a slight honey blonde. So let's take the wig that I'm going to be sacrificing for the cause. Now I could just fold the hair into itself like that, but I really want it to be a vertical wig. So the first thing I'm going to do is cut the elastic bands off, because I'm not going to need them. I'm not going to need these elastic bands, these adjustable bands rather. So I'm going to cut those off. Okay, and that just leaves this, like I said, I'll link the wig, this particular wig. It has absolutely no combs. That's why I'm going to utilize the bobby pins. And on the inside of the wig, of course, is grits and stuff like that inside the wig. So I'm just going to turn it inside out. And since I wanted it to be a mohawk, I think I'm going to count from 1, 2, and cut the tracks along this curved line, because you can see the different patterns and that repeats on both sides. So that is what I'm going to do. So I'm going to take my scissors and I'm going to cut the lace, and then I'm going to go in and snip the tracks. And you know that's really easy because the tracks are really thin. Okay, and now I'm going to go along this outer lace part here. So I'm going to just cut that hair off and the ear tab and pull all of that hair away. So I'm going to repeat the same thing on this side. Okay. So of course, by cutting off both sides, I have made my own vertical wig. This part right here is stationary, but that back end part will stretch if you need it to be. I purchased this Sky wig from my local beauty supply store. I had caught it on sale, and it was in a ton of colors. Like I said, I'll link that video to this video. Of course, you're going to get a little bit of shedding because we just cut tracks and stuff like that. You can brush it out or whatever. But what I'm going to do is first I'm going to cut that tag out in the back. Okay. And because I already had it converted into a bob wig, the back of mine is already at a tailored cut. So I'm going to place this on the top of my hair, and I'm going to take my large bobby pins and I'm going to start pinning it in place. Thank God for large bobby pins, because that is really going to save me. Of course, you don't have to use pins this big. You can use pins whatever size you want. I think I'm going to bring the back up to hit the back of my neck like that. And so I'm going to do the, ooh, that's cute too. I'm going to do the same thing on the opposite side. Okay, so now that I have the wig pinned in place, now is the time that I'm going to take to, of course, hide the pins that's on the sides. And what I also want to do is style the wig, and I'll probably have to cut it and taper it to my liking. Of course, I want a little extra on the top, and that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to style this, trim it down a little bit, especially in the front. Okay, so this is my final look. This is my version of converting an old wig into a vertical wig to give myself a faux mohawk. I'll definitely put the young lady's name right here. That was on Instagram. She was so cute. And honey, this is your fault. You made me make this video because I really wanted that vertical wig that you were selling at your beauty supply store but wasn't selling it here in Philly. I absolutely love how this turned out. Tell me what you think. You know, just because you have a TWA, you don't have to be in the struggle if you don't want to. So I hope you like seeing videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Go ahead and send out that positivity and hit that thumbs up button. It's okay to send out that positivity. I ain't gonna tell nobody. And if you're inclined and you want to join my family, then don't hesitate and hit the subscribe button. I think I did a great job, honey. What do you think? You need to give me a high five.